why forests are more than trees and how nature heals your mind and your body. Forests are more beautiful. Forests are more than just beauty, they are medicine. In this video I'm sharing why forests are some of the most powerful places on earth for improving your mental, emotional and even your physical well-being. Studies have shown that time in the woods can lower stress and blood pressure, boost creativity and focus, improve your mind, strengthen your immune system, reconnect you with something deeper. But beyond the science, there's something else. A forest reminds you that you're part of something living, something bigger. And sometimes that's exactly what we need to feel whole again. Drop a tree emoji in the comments if the forest has ever helped you feel more like yourself again. Like, comment and subscribe if you're on a journey of healing, grounding, growth and just one step at a time.